This lightweight and compact electric planer makes planing faster and easier, especially compared to those old manual planers. The Bosch GHO 6500 is part of the professional range and is perfect for most planing jobs. One of the features I really like about this tool is the parking shoe at the back, which allows you to rest the tool while the blades are still spinning, preventing any damage to your table or workpiece. You can easily adjust the cutting depth up to 2.6 millimeters by adjusting the dial, moving the plate up and down. The parallel guide on the front is perfect for making rebates up to 9 millimeters and has these grooves on the front for making chamfered edges. This planer has a 650 watt motor which allows for fast cutting speeds up to 16,500 RPM, perfect for various wood types. A dust management port on the side, a maximum planing width of 82 millimeters, a weight of 2.8 kgs, and it has a lock-on function easily accessible from both sides. Included with the planer is a sharpening jig, as well as a blade setting gauge. It also has a 4-meter cable, so you don't have to carry around an extension cable to every job. This is just one of the electric planers available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.